This is the day after the snowstorm we had here. Temperature warmed up to upper 30s, lower 40s. You see, I shoveled all that snow. Bright sunshine. There's some ice. Yeah, those are some big hills of snow. That's a lot of snow. Yard. Here's what the front looks like after shoveling, and then today we got upper 30s, lower 40s temperatures. What it looks like is all the snow is starting to melt. That's a pretty big hill. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching.